Workspace Talk, where we discuss everything from home to commercial furniture. I'm your host, Joe, and today we are going to focus on CET designer training. Stay tuned for future episodes of product reviews. Let's begin. Exporting and importing view modes. Previously, we have covered view modes on how to create them, and today I'm going to show you how to export them to your network and then import them. Actually, your teammates will be importing them to their computer. And what I have done is I'm going to go through, we're going to click on the black arrow and hit edit, and then you should have created your custom view modes already. I'll call them panel, electrical, and component. And what we're going to do is you're going to go to your hard drive of your computer, and you're going to hit your Windows key and E for Explorer. Just get into Explorer however you get into it, and make sure that you get into your PC. So the path would be PC, Documents, CET Documents, and then in there is Custom View Modes. And through there, you should have all of these files right here, .cmpvs. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these files, you're going to copy them, and then you're going to paste them to your network, wherever it is, so that your teammates have access to it. Another option would be you could email these to them, makes it a little bit simpler, but however you decide, just make sure that they get the files. And as soon as they get them, they could just go to each and every one of their own hard drive and paste it. And so this is the path, their PC, documents, CET documents, custom view modes. And as long as they paste that in there, it should match. So we're gonna do the same, we're gonna repeat this very same steps, but you're gonna go into your custom view mode sets. And in there, you should only have your install drawing, which is what we went over in our previous tutorial. And this is the only thing that should show up, unless you've been, experimenting. You would just simply do the same thing. Copy this, upload it to your network, and email this. And then your teammates would just simply paste this file into their hard drive, and then just by following the path. So it'll be custom view mode sets. And I hope this works for you, and hopefully this makes sense. Edit. And then what they're going to do is they're going to click and drag, and then select install drawing, and then all these files should show up in their computer, panel, electrical, and component. So all of this should be loaded up, and then they can just click on these, and all their panel and electrical plans will show up. I will suggest that everyone plays with these view modes, because there's a lot of instances where some text and some symbols should be turned off and on. And please experiment and fine tune it, because it's not going to be perfect the first time around. You're going to have to put a little bit of time and energy into this. It's a process, and this is just basically to show you how to get started. I hope this works out for you. Thank you so much, and let me know in the comments section below if you have some questions.